Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a Shopify authentication code. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is head on to the back end of your Shopify store, so admin.shopify.com, sign in, and on the far right, click onto your user profile, and then click onto your user profile. Now this should take you to accounts.shopify.com. Now once you're here, we can click onto the security tab on the left hand side. Now there's a few different ways how we can add a authentication code. So we can add one as a passkey or a two-step authentication. So basically what we need to do is click on turn on two-step. So this is gonna, when you log into Shopify, you'll need to enter your email and password and then complete a second step to prove that it's you logging in. You can enter a verification code, use a security key, or confirm your login on a trusted device. So we need to click on turn on two-step notification. You might get this little pop-up to verify it's you to continue, so I'm going to re-authenticate myself. So I'm just going to go through this process. All right, so once I'm here, it's going to open up set up two-step authentication. So see this QR code, we need to scan that using a supported authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Duo. After you scan the QR code, you'll receive a 6-digit confirmation code to enter below, and then below here it says enter code. So after you set it up, enter the 6-digit generated by your authenticator, and then click on turn on. Then after that, you've successfully got a Shopify authentication code.